Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video I am going to show you if WhatsApp photos are not saving to your iPhone Photos app. So watch this video till end very carefully. Okay, so as you can see guys, I have downloaded this one image on my WhatsApp chat. So the same image is not showing in my Photos app, as you can see guys. Okay, now let's fix it out this problem. First you need to check the photo permission. To check this guys, you need to open your iPhone settings. In the iPhone settings, scroll down and find out apps. In the apps, scroll down at the end and you need to find out WhatsApp. Open the WhatsApp. Okay, and here you need to open the Photos app and select full access from here. After doing this guys, now you need to open your WhatsApp. In the WhatsApp, go to your profile section and open the settings from here. In the settings, open chats, and then here you can get the option save to photos, or you can get some other option like save to camera roll. Just need to enable this option from here. Now open WhatsApp once again, try to download your photo. So now I will download this image. As you can see guys, I have downloaded this image. Now I will open my Photos app. Now let's see the photo will show or not. Still, in case the photo is not showing in the Photos app, now what you need to do, you need to restart your iPhone one time. After restarting, you need to update your WhatsApp. Open the App Store and here you need to search WhatsApp. Simply go ahead, update your app. After updating, now it will 100% fix your problem. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the next method as well. Now you need to save your WhatsApp photos manually to your Photos app. To do this guys, you need to open WhatsApp once again, select your photo, tap on share button, and here you can get the option save. So just simply click on save button. That's it. Now it will 101% save your photo in your gallery app, as you can see guys, Photos app. So this is the way to fix your problem. Also you need to check the storage space. If there is not enough storage space available on your iPhone, so at that time also iPhone does not show you photos on your Photos app. That's why you need to check this. So this method not only work for photos, this work for your videos, documents, everything of your WhatsApp. Okay, now WhatsApp photos and videos should save normally on iPhone after following this step. If this video helped you out, please subscribe to Smart Tech Junction for more iPhone fixes. See you in the next one.